Basically, the biggest driver from all the latest research on aging really seems to be the mitochondria is the biggest root driver
Mhm.
as to why our body ages, which includes skin cells. And so what these mu cells do, as has been shown in research with mesenchymal stem cells and mu cells, is that they help to transfer mitochondrial DNA. So it's like they're giving you actually like new DNA that's not damaged, which you integrate into your body. And then they also help with mitophagy, which is that meaning they can help to repair damaged mitochondria. So yes, so they're slowing down the skin cell aging of your own skin cells, and then some of them will actually integrate, and you'll actually get some new skin cells with the new mu cells that you injected.
So if you have cells that are somewhat damaged, they can revert the damage of those cells, like
Yes,
take them back. And then
exactly.
if you have cells that maybe need to die or are mutated, will it just help those cells go ahead and die and maybe like then you can grow new cells? Is that
Yeah,
I mean,
exactly.
is that
And
correct?
the coolest things about the mu cells, which this hasn't been published yet, but will be published later this year, is that they sense their microenvironment and they respond accordingly. So it's almost like a smart drug. So for example, if they come into a cancer cell, they're not going to tell the cancer cell to grow. They're actually going to tell it to die. They're going to send signals that basically tell that signal to apoptosis and suppress the growth of it. And this is something that Professor Mari Dozawa, who's the one who discovered them, is planning to publish this year. So I find that stuff just like super fascinating because it's like smart drugs.
Hmm. Yeah, so it's healing things, but it's also smart. It's like the person at the bus stop, like stop, go.
Yeah.
So
I
it's
almost
telling
think
them
about
to
like
die.
when the analogy we were saying about the repairman